When your SKIL PWRCORE battery charger shows a blinking red light, it's signaling a specific problem that needs attention. A blinking red light indicates the battery is unhealthy, there's a charging error, or the temperature is outside the safe charging range. The first troubleshooting step is checking the battery temperature. If it's too hot or cold, let it reach room temperature before attempting to charge. Whether the battery is too hot from recent use or too cold from storage, wait for it to normalize to room temperature. Next, inspect and clean the battery and charger contacts. Dirty or corroded contacts can prevent proper charging. Use a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol to gently clean both the battery contacts and charger contacts, removing any dirt or corrosion. Finally, test with another SKIL PWRCORE battery if available. This helps determine whether the problem is with the battery or the charger. If the second battery charges normally, your original battery is likely defective. If both batteries show the red blinking light, the charger itself may need service. When your SKIL PWRCORE battery isn't charging, you can try jump-starting it using another battery. This reset method can often restore a battery that appears to be dead. You have two options for jump-starting your battery. You can use another SKIL PWRCORE battery, or you can use a 20-volt battery from another brand like DeWalt. Here's how to perform the reset. First, identify the positive and negative terminals on both batteries. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign and the negative with a minus sign. Connect the positive terminal of the working battery to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then connect the negative terminal of the working battery to the negative terminal of the dead battery. Keep the batteries connected for about 15 seconds, then disconnect them. This brief connection allows the working battery to provide a small charge to reset the dead battery's internal protection circuit. After jump-starting, place the battery back on the charger. If the reset was successful, you should see a flashing green light, which indicates the battery is charging normally again. If the reset method doesn't work, remember that SKIL offers a warranty on their batteries and chargers. Registering your tool within 30 days of purchase may extend the warranty on the tool itself to 5 years.